Recently, I've been going through my shoe collection and getting rid of shoes that I don't want, which is honestly very seldom. You know what? Before I even get into all of that, for those of you who are new to my page, my name is Chantel. I am a inventor, entrepreneur, actress, so welcome. While going through my closet, I came across a pair of my boots that has one of my old product designs on the bottom. This is the product I invented, Shoe Gummi. This is kind of what it used to look like. This is what it looks like now. It's an outer sole, the first of its kind. It goes on the outside bottom of a pair of heels like this. And what it does is it tilts your foot back slightly, taking a lot of that pressure off the balls of your feet so you can wear your high heels longer. It still works the same, gets the job done. I've just had so many different tweaks and adjustments and refinements since this. So seeing this shoe and seeing the gummy on the bottom, this old style gummy, it made me want to show you guys and dig up like one of the bags of my old gummies, like even the very first ones, what they look like. So I wanted to share this with you guys. So this right here is the very first Shoe Gummi. It was so tiny compared to what the product is now. This gummy was tapered in the front. It had this tail as well, this concave thing in the back, and all these grooves right here. So if this was to be put on the bottom of this shoe, it was supposed to do a thing like this, and this tail was supposed to come around the sole like that. But eventually, with working and doing research, I figured out that I didn't need this tail. Then with the product, I was starting to cut off the tails, then doing testing with these to see how they would work. Then came this design, and it's so crazy. Even with the material, it was a change from this like rubber, vulcanized rubber, to like 3D printed samples that were actually cheaper to make than opening tooling, which cost thousands of dollars. When 3D printing came into place, I was so lucky because I was making so many of these a month with small adjustments. Like, it's crazy. Like, this is just one bag compared to several more that I have. So we came to this, and then you can see like my little doodles on here to like get rid of more of the tail. Then we got to this. So coming from this to this and coming up with this more universal design that would better fit the bottom of a shoe versus, like, I feel like a lot of space that I was leaving untouched on the bottom of the shoe with this older model to this model and this color, and branching off into more colors, red and tan, and then also a pointed style. I've came a very long way with this product. I'm very proud to see how far I've come with starting with this and coming to this. Like, it's no way that this would have worked out staying like this. Like, look at that. Look at the difference, the change. Evolution is inevitable. This conversation really sparked from clearing out some of the shoes in my closet. But you know what? If you have an idea and you want to bring it to light, do your research on it. See if there are other things on the market like it. And if there is, how can you make your idea different or better?